Tiny keeper, 42 and a half.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hollywood Code. Hey Hollywood Code. Go.
20 seconds.
You want to know just where I'm at? Well, let me tell you about it. I put my city on the map. Let me tell you about it. They trying to say I can't come back, and let me tell you about it. Been fucking
10.
niggas, I come back, and let me tell you about it. I wanna tell you about it. Heads up, everybody run. All outside and say you got a gun. Niggas like, man, that's what everybody said. Go up out the trunk and everybody dead. Everybody scared of the nigga aware that the nigga is better. All my bitches is bigger than liquor, never bitter. Niggas is fake anime. Me, I never hate the cake like anime. Whoa, eat the cake, bitch, eat the damn cake. Nigga, we the man great. What a diamond know that she take off all the clothes, nigga. You know how it go, make the bitch a man wait. The best kept secret, even hoes try to keep it, then I leave the damn safe. Rest in peace, and the nigga won't peace, nigga, so they couldn't keep the man safe. I stepped to the window, to the wall. My nigga proud when I call. Got bitches out of my mind. Fuck niggas blocking my shine. I know the reason you feel the way. I know just who you want me. So every day I say the man I'm scared and I ain't you ain't me. Get off my dick. Whoa, fuck on my dick. Get off my dick. Get out my dick! Whoa! Fuck my dick! Get out my dick! Whoa! That fucking niggas that come home and now tell nobody. They getting temporary dough now tell nobody. Girl, will you tell me if I change? I won't tell nobody. I wanna
3.
go back to Japan. I won't tell nobody. This is the part that the thugs skip. Young nigga never had love, you know. Foot besides back rub shit. Blowing bubbles in the bathtub shit. That is until I met you. Together we done watch years go by. See the river and your years go by. Got me thinking about some kids still. I said I'm all come through. You done know somebody and you really learn a lot.
Let's go, let's go.
Before you start to doubt them, tell yourself you better off without them. Then the time you would find can't walk without them, can't talk without them, can't breathe without them. Came here together, you can't leave without them. So you walk back in, make a scene about them. On your memory, this is one thing about them, it's called love. Niggas don't sing about it no more. Don't nobody sing about it no more. No more. It's called love. Niggas don't sing about it no more. Don't nobody sing about it no more. But every nigga in the club sing. To the window, to the wall. My niggas down when I call. Got bitches out of my mind. Fuck niggas blocking my shine. I know the reason you feel no way. I know just who you want me. So every day I say the man I'm standing, it ain't you and you ain't me. Get off my dick.
3.
Got bitches in the club singing. Mama let the kids sing. The baby mamas in the mistresses.
Good, Scotty.
Why you respect that they gotta be famous? Why you broke that they gotta be famous? That's stereotype. Tripping about the people up in Aerial Heights, it's a scenario. Young cold hearts, fat, like Lil Terry. Dream little gangster, yeah, I'll be on every show. Yeah, fuck nigga, I'm very show. Fuck the best, I'm the best nigga out. When I'm back home, I'm the best in the South. When I'm in LA, I'm the best in the West. You can test, I'm a stretch niggas out. I'm a stretch niggas out. And go for all y'all if I left niggas out. This shit for everybody on my testicle, please make sure you put the rest in your mouth. Ho.
Good, Scott. Pull.
around your neck and jerking it. The trick didn't work. Your life was fucked up from the first day of birth. After watching Jackie Gleason walk into a precinct, gun down a captain for no fucking reason, and get some LSD or a drink from the bar. Get behind your wheel and crash the car like Desert Storm. Got bombs for the war. Confront an alligator, let it eat your raw. To the function, from the caboose to hell. Easily touch the third rail. You fucked up, chicken. Now you just got fried, 'cause it's a suicide. Now you stand on the grave digger lot. You're singing the blues about the rough life you got. Nah, you don't wanna live no more. I guess you're really ready for the graveyard tour. When you get home, just seal up your window and your door. Turn the oven on high.
Good, Scotty.
Let you a blood kiss your ass goodbye. You gas yourself 'cause it's a suicide.
Life moves
Three.
pretty fast. You don't stop and look around every once in a while. You could miss it.
6 fucking devils stuffed up playing brave guard. Had to fucking know to try to enter my graveyard. I'm the resurrector, be my sacrifice. Commit suicide and I'll bring you back to life. The first was convinced. Stuck a water hose in his mouth, fat full blast so his head can explode. Second one said, that's good but I could chop it. Put a
Good, Scotty. Two.
Cause we all die.
Go on then. Good, Scotty.
Welcome. You just stepped into Blau's house.
Go on then,
Get
mate.
ready for the ride.
Go on then. Two.
To show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna be high like me, never really know why like me. You don't ever let me step off that roller coaster and be all alone. You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that station. Oh, I know.
Go on then.
A sad soul, darling. I know. A sad soul, sad soul.
10. Three, 5, 3 at 10 minutes.